Good morning, everybody. Today is November 1st, so that is the end of Breast Cancer Month. But I want to let you guys know that you can donate any time of the year. It's much appreciated. Sites are always up for you to get information, whether you're a man or a woman. Yeah, so if you didn't last month, this month or next month, just donate. Also, I just want to say a quick thank you to everybody who left positive messages on my last video. It really helped me through the day. My DMs are always open if you're struggling. I am going to eat my breakfast and then we're gonna get into this video. Oh my goodness. It is super windy today, so if my sound quality isn't the best, I apologize. But let's get cold start in, why don't we? Alright, so I'm letting her warm up, and then I am thinking about running over my pumpkin. My yard looks like a freaking graveyard. Okay, I wanted to roll those out and like show you guys what my truck would look like as a dually. Gabe always wanted me to turn it into a dually, and I'm kind of starting to think it would look pretty cool. So yeah. What do you guys think? Okay, so Savannah is here and we're gonna go somewhere to run over the pumpkin because if we do it in my driveway, my mom will be mad, and
then we'd have to clean it up too.
Yeah, if there are people there, we'll clean it up, but it's a pumpkin, we'll throw it in the woods, so. Okay, so our first spot we wanted to go to didn't really work out, so this is where we are. Let's take the stem off just because, yeah.
Are you gonna go fast and run over, or are you gonna just go
I think I'm gonna go slow.
put it like directly under the tire?
Yeah.
He didn't even have a name! That's probably good. Yay!
So this is the aftermath. We throw the big pieces away. It looks like a murder scene. Look at this too. This is the longest red light I have ever been at in my entire life. We've been sitting here for maybe like 3 minutes now. And there's nothing. kidding me? And there's someone behind me. Hello?
3, 2, 1.
And there's a camera, so I don't want to like go through it. There we go. Alright, we are gonna go either get some rollers or just like flybys for funsies. Yeah. Also, I ordered something yesterday. I don't know when that's gonna get here. I'm hoping in a week or two. Savannah just got an email. She's pulling it up. We'll tell you guys what it is in a second.
Okay. So my wheels for my truck, they just got shipped, so I'm hoping they come here in like 1 or 2 days.
How long has it been since you drove it?
2 weeks, 3 weeks, because
yeah.
I have a flat tire and then we changed it with the spare and then the spare popped too. So I have had no tires to drive on for 2 weeks now. It
also doesn't help that Savannah literally just learned how to drive stick shift and then her tires popped and she couldn't drive it anymore. Like she was like, yes, I'm learning, and her truck said no. Do you ever just go like 20 miles per hour in park and like your truck is off? That's how you know that your truck is like the fastest, because even when it's not even on, it's already going 20 miles per hour. Also, you guys, it's not plugged in right now, but you guys always like DM me on Instagram and ask me what tuner I have. I just use an SCT tuner. I have memory loss, so I don't remember like if there's anything special with my tune, but I think we just have it on like a boring one right now because that I don't remember either. Guys, I genuinely have memory loss. So, I mean, if you're ever wondering, this is what I use, but that's all I got for you. Alright, well, that kind of ends the video. Stay tuned for, we have a video coming for Savannah's wheels. We're going to install them ourselves because we're cool like that. And I said earlier, I have a couple things coming for the truck. Really excited about those because I need them pretty bad. But yeah, see you guys later. Weep weep.